Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how to buy any cryptocurrency on Binance using your USDT balance. Let's get started. First, open the Binance website on your computer and log into your account. Make sure you have enough USDT available in your spot wallet before starting the purchase. Next, go to the top menu and click on Trade, then select Spot from the drop-down list. This will take you to the spot trading page where you can buy and sell crypto pairs. Now, use the search bar on the right side to look for the crypto you want to buy. For example, type BTC/USDT if you want to buy Bitcoin using USDT. Click on the pair to open its trading chart. Then, scroll down to the buy section under the chart. Enter the amount of USDT you want to spend, or the amount of crypto you want to buy. After that, choose your order type. Market order is the fastest since it buys at the current market price. Click Buy to place your order instantly. Once your order is complete, go to your wallet fiat and spot to confirm your new crypto balance. And that's it. You've successfully bought crypto on Binance using your USDT balance. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.